Hi everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video update. India has many dances coming from every state in a country. Although there are only 6 forms of classical dance recognized by India on a national level, they are Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Manipuri, Kuchipudi and Odissi. The folk dances of India are much more than mere body movements. From very ancient time, the classical dance of India is considered as a discipline and a way to devote yourself to God through art. So now let's check out some of the classical dance form of India in details.
Bharatnatyam perform on the celestial tunes of Carnatic music. Bharatnatyam comes from the state of Tamil Nadu in south. The origin of Bharatnatyam can be traced back to 1000 BC and it originates from the ancient temple of Tamil Nadu performed by the women of classical period. The dance form is known for its beautiful body movements and gestures which are called mudras in the traditional language. It focuses on the hand gesture, leg movements and the facial expressions of the dancer. This dance form was very prevalent before the British era but was profoundly depressed during the colonial period. However, India kept the dance form alive in the houses and today it is recognized as one of the most respectable art form in India, especially in the southern region of the country, where it is movement of pride for the women of house to learn the classical dance form of Bharatnatyam. Kathak, coming from the northern part of the country from the state of Uttar Pradesh, Kathak comes from the word Katha which means story in Hindi. Kathak is performed in the form of storytelling through the body movements used by the dancer. Kathak is often referred to as a dance of love and it can be performed by both by the male and the female dancer together. This dance form focuses highly on the ankle movements complemented by the ankle that has to match the beats of the music. Ankle bells or ghungru, called in traditional language, is an important part of discipline of this dance form. Various distinctions can be witnessed in this dance form as it is performed in various places in the country which includes Jaipur, Banaras and Lucknow. Kathakali. Kathakali is another traditional dance form of India which relates to the storytelling. Kathakali translates the storytellers in the country's language. Coming from the southern region of the country, from Kerala, Kathakali is one of the most renowned and religious dances form of India. It originates from the tale of Ramayana and Shiva stories. Kathakali includes the intriguing face movement and the heavy costume, which includes the traditional face mask and body paints. The music, which includes only the vocal, is called sopan. The storytelling of epic Hindu mythology tales depicting both evil and good is shown through the conversation between the dancers, only through the body gesture and facial expression. Simply fascinating to watch. Manipuri. As you stroll towards the northeast India, which is brimming with the rich tradition and their unique culture, Manipuri comes as an important symbol to represent the state of Manipur from the region. This dance form is performed to narrate the romantic relationship between the Hindu gods Radha and Krishna, which is famously known as Ras Leela. This art form is performed in a team with the traditional Manipuri costumes and makeup to narrate the tale of two gods. The dance is performed on the narrative chanting and the music created by the Indian classical instruments. Kuchipudi, belonging to the Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi is probably the toughest form of classical dance in India. Kuchipudi is not just considered as the dance but a whole religious procedure dedicated to God, which includes certain rituals such as sprinkling the holy water, burning the incense stick and praying to God. Kuchipudi includes both singing and dancing by the performer, which is why it requires both the skill and much more dedication than any other art form in India. In earlier period, Kuchipudi was only performed by the male dancer in the temples, specifically the Brahmins. but with the passage of time, it became famous amongst the women, and nowadays it is mostly performed by the female dancers. Odissi. Odissi dance form comes from the state of Odisha in the eastern part of India. The traditional dance has been derived from the Hindu temples in Odisha. Most of the gestures and the movements are inspired by the sculptures and the idols belonging to the ancient temples of the India. The dance is performed as a way to express the mythological tale of Hindu gods, including that of Shiva and Surya. The dance is accompanied by the mythical story, Hindi poems in the form of music by the musician. Odissi is considered as the oldest dance form of India which are surviving till today. Odissi dance is performed mostly by the women dancers and it includes more than 50 intertwined mudras, that is body movement. Bhangra. Bhangra is the famous Punjabi dance form. This dance form recognized all over the world and performed mainly at weddings or parties. This freestyle dance form originally associated with the spring harvest festival from Punjab. Bihu. Bihu is one of the famous Indian folk dance form originated from the state Assam. People perform this dance during Bihu festival. This festival celebrated at the beginning of the spring to mark the season. Lavani originated from the state of Maratha Empire. Lavani is a dance form of Maharashtra. The female oriented dance is a blend of traditional music and tale of deities. The origin of Lavani comes from the word Lavanya, which means beauty. Apart from helping in the upliftment of Marathi folk theatre, the dance form was also a morale booster during the war in the 18th century. Mohiniyattam. It is the second most popular dance form of Kerala. This classical Indian dance form roots from the age-old Sanskrit text Natya Shastra. It is traditionally performed by the women following a repertoire of Carnatic music, singing and acting a play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, do like, do comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye friends. See you in the next video.